hold,
hold,
grab,
grab,
catch,
catch,
throw,
throw,
drop,
drop,
pick,
pick,
lift,
lift,
carry,
carry,
push,
push,
pull,
pull,
write,
write,
draw,
draw,
sketch,
sketch,
paint,
paint,
sign,
sign,
underline,
underline,
point,
point,
tap,
tap,
press,
press,
pinch,
pinch,
scratch,
scratch,
snap,
snap,
rub,
rub,
crush,
crush,
peel,
peel,
squeeze,
squeeze,
clap,
clap,
slap,
slap,
tickle,
tickle,
steeple,
steeple,
pat,
pat,
wipe,
wipe,
crumple,
crumple,
ring,
ring,
need,
need,
dribble,
dribble,
swipe.
swipe.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.